Hi everyone. Today we're doing a money question and Louie is going to help us out. So we're going to add this amount to this amount.
Yeah.
So let's write down. Can you tell me how much is right here?
Well, first there's $1.
Okay.
And then there's 50 cents because each is worth 10.
Yeah.
And then there's 5 cents because these are pennies.
Okay. So we have $1.55, and we're going to add that to, how much is here?
51 cents.
51 cents. Okay, so I'm going to write it like this. 51 cents. Okay. So, how are we going to do this, Lou?
Regrouping.
Okay, so let's start off with the pennies. So we'll add the pennies together. I'm going to put a line here so that it looks more like that one.
Yeah.
So it's 5 plus 1. So 5 pennies plus 1 penny. It gives us how much?
5 pennies plus 1 is 6 pennies.
Yep, so I'll just move them down here. And you really want to write something in there. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So 6, line it up, there.
Okay, and now we have 50 cents plus 50 cents.
Which is equal to 10.
Yeah, or
$1.
$1, yeah.
So we'd put a 0 here and we'd add 1 here.
Okay, go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like over here.
Add 1 onto there.
Okay, so this is $1, and instead of having it in dimes, I'm just going to exchange it for a loonie, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to just trade these out for a loonie. All right, here we go. I'll put it there, but we can put it down here, but it can't really stay there, right? Because you have a 0 there, so I'll move it up here. So that is that, and that's that. Okay.
So then it would be 1 plus 1. So 1 then, and then 2.
So you have 206, right? Or 2.06. And look, here we have $2.06.
Yeah.
So $1.55 plus 51 cents is $2.06.
Yeah.
That was great.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone. Daniel's here with me, and he's going to tell us how he thinks about $1.55 plus 51 cents. So Daniel, do I have $1.55 here? Can you count it out for everyone? So that's $1.
$1.50 and 55 cents.
Perfect. And then here we have 50 cents.
50 cents and 51 cents.
Perfect. Okay, so how do you want to add these together?
I think if we took the 50 apart with the 5.
Oh, okay, so let me write it out so everyone can see it. So it's like you're going to split the $1.55 into $1.50 and 5 cents. So basically there's like a little line right here, right? Okay, do you want to split this one too?
Yeah, and then so it's 50 and
50 cents and
1 cent.
Okay, so there's like, again, a little line right there. Okay, so I bet you I can guess what you want to do. I bet you want to take the $1.50, right? Add 50 cents.
Yeah.
How much is that?
That's $2.
And then you just have these two left over, right?
Which is easy, 1 plus 5. So it's $2.06.
Perfect, so $2.06. Just fabulous, Daniel.